Looking for a smooth and exclusive journey from Gili Asahan to Lembar Port? Start your adventure on a private local boat, gliding across crystal-clear waters for 45 minutes. Soak in the stunning ocean views and gentle breeze. Arriving at Tembowong Port, your private car awaits, ready to whisk you away in comfort for a scenic 50-minute drive to Lembar Port. Perfect for families, friends, or anyone craving a hassle-free, flexible trip. Enjoy the best value and a seamless travel experience. Your island escape just got a whole lot easier.